Hello, and welcome again to the Forefront Demo Series. Today we're going to talk about another one of our intelligent business applications and talk about an automated procedure system. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you a little more about Forefront, what we do. We enable the digital world, and really, we help make it easier for organizations to manage their information with our smart, intelligent, and automated applications. And as we mentioned, today we're going to talk about an automated procedure system that's built on the Documentum Platform. And in this, we're talking about making Documentum simple, easy to use, very intuitive, very intelligent, automated, and really automate the automated procedure process. So I'm going to log in as Mike, and in our system we can use any browser. And as we log in, we can see Mike has a nice portal-based simple interface for his electronic procedure system. Everything Mike needs to do is right here at his fingertips. And another thing to point out, the application is fully customizable to your organization. And what we mean, your business rules, the picture, the layout, the structure, able to match what your end users need and how they want to work with their procedures or any other type of content. This is really a way of streamlining and providing a low-code platform on top of Documentum to make it smart and intelligent. So back to Mike. Everything he needs is right here. He can go in, he can drag and drop and create new content, new procedures. He's got the ability to do some full text searching, build his own searches, kind of on his main search center. But the real intelligence in the applications down here in the command center. Everything Mike needs to do is right here. Quick, easy access to creating documents, and maybe it's an accounting procedure or a general procedure. The system would give him the template and allow him to move on in the process. He has his searches so he can quickly go find what he needs. If Mike needs to do a policy search, he can quickly click on policy search and go search through some of these data values. He can quickly go in and search for all his procedures that are in the draft status and click on search and quickly return back that query of all the documents that are out there. Ascending, descending, if we want to sort on any of these labels. He also has the ability to open them, check them out. As you see, we can click on these dots, and now I can check them out. I can edit them. I can export them. I can email a link to someone, creating renditions, adding notes, emailing as a link. Very powerful. All the functionality you're used to in all of your enterprise applications. We close this. We're back on our system. Again, straightforward and fairly simple. Otherwise, we have reports and views. So if we want to see a status report of all of the procedures that we're working on, we can quickly click onto this, and then it takes us to a quick view, and we can track how long certain documents have been in someone's queue, or they're in the process of being worked on. And you can see we have our field testing procedure that's been in the draft status for 1 day. Just below that, we have a water valve testing procedure that's been sitting at the training queue for 5 days. So again, you can take action. The system keeps track of and works on all of our content. Let's see, if we're also doing workflows and we're creating and routing documents around for review and approval, Mike may have a review queue of what he needs to work on. One-click access, click on my review queue, and there's 2 documents that Mike needs to work on. So again, keeping it simple, and everything he needs right there at his fingertips. I'll click on one last thing in our short demo, our effective queue. And this is where we can create change requests and work on different documents. But really, we want to look at some of these documents. We'll sort here by our latest revision date, and we'll just look at one last time to get the latest. So you can sort ascending or descending. So we have our lemon law procedure that we have right here. We're going to look at the properties for this document, and when we do that and we open up the properties, we can see that not only are we tracking the versions of this document, it's at 1.5, but we have other metadata and all that can be captured, including the effective date, an expiration date so that the system can let us know when documents expire, retention, how long do we need to keep this document until November 13th, 2028. And again, other tabs across the top where we can see the version stack. We have the ability to see the history. And so we can see who did what and when to that document. When Robert created it, edited it, when Mike Steele signed off on it, all the way until when Julius signed off on it. So all of those capabilities right there. Same with renditions. In this application, once the document's approved, a PDF rendition is created. We can click on this, open up our PDF form, and we can see the system can put a watermark across the top. And if we page to the very end of our document, we can even see an electronic signature that's automatically applied to our system, to our procedure as well. Everything happening automated, the system taking care of it and making it work simple and easy to use for our end users. So again, back to his home page. When he's finished working on that document, he can go from there. So again, keeping it simple and making a very intelligent application there for Mike and his team. So thank you for joining our demo today. We'll have more demos coming on our demo channel.